Hello YouTube. So today we're going to be making Jamaican beef patties. Make sure you get your 100% natural ground beef and your coconut oil. So all my measurements are on my website. Check out the link below. But what I'm doing right now is I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into the pan. And the pan is on medium heat. So after that, you want to add in, once the oil is hot, you want to add in your green pepper, your onion, garlic, parsley, thyme, and your habanero pepper. I think that's parsley. Look, I don't know. But after that, we're going to add in the beef. And this was the trickiest part. Don't mind me, I'm really struggling because I don't know how you get beef out of there. But anyway, you're going to let the beef brown before you add in your seasonings. So you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Then you're going to add in all of the dry ingredients, which are on my website. So check out the link below in the description box, please. You know, that website's very helpful. And comment what you think about the website. And also right there I added in flour, and I'm just gonna add in water and make sure that the mixture comes out creamy, but not too thick like a paste. You want it to be creamy. So add in water, as much water as needed. So in this I added about 1/4 of a cup of water total to make it creamy. One thing that I didn't do was blend this mixture. So if you want the perfect beef patty, make sure to blend the meat after it's cooked or before. So now we're going on to our dough. So I added in about a tablespoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of salt, and I added in about a 1/2 stick of butter chopped into 1/4 inch cubes. And you're gonna use your fingers and mix it. Mix it up. Mix it up. Add water as you go until you get into a dough-like consistency. And wrap it in plastic wrap. And put it in the refrigerator.
1 hour later.
So after that, you're just gonna take your dough, and I split it in half because I was working in half parts. I knew I was gonna use all that dough. Flour the countertop and roll it out. Add flour as you roll the dough. So because the dough is really sticky.
A lot of love, I can really feel the glow, but you still sleeping on a young nigga on the low. Think a lot of things, but it's nothing I know. You ain't gotta lie like I'm one of these niggas. You ain't gotta worry about breaking my heart, cause I ain't about to cry like a lot of these niggas. Fuck that. Good boys always finish last. I thought that the girls love that.
Then you're gonna add in your slices of butter, and you're gonna roll the dough with the butter in it. So that's about a 1/2 stick of butter I put into the dough, and I'm gonna roll it out and add more flour as you go. Just keep rolling. Yes, it's very tedious. Add in the rest of the pieces of butter and fold and keep rolling. Just keep rolling. It's very therapeutic. It's very, very therapeutic. Everyone should try it.
Just to love you, baby. Just to love you. Just to love you.
It's getting sticky. So now I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator since it's too sticky.
Oh my God!
Now the dough's all rolled out, so now we can roll out the dough that we put in the refrigerator, and we can cut out pieces the size that we want our Jamaican beef patties to look like. And you know, we can cut out into squares, ovals, whatever you like. It's your preference.
Not just they friends, but with my Cause you look so fly, and you look so cute. Can I make you mine? What you wanna do? Yeah. She don't play.
So then you're gonna fill the beef patty with about like 2 tablespoons of meat. And look, honestly, I don't know what he was doing. Sorry about that. So the proper way to do it is add about 2 tablespoons of beef and then put water around the edges and press it closed with a fork. And you have beautiful beef patties. Yes, girl, yes. So put that in the oven for about 20 minutes and then take it out and see how far it's gone. See how dough is cooked. It's been in the oven for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. And they are so nice and crispy and flaky. Ooh, open that up. Yes.